Knife enthusiasts the world over love a knife that fuses functionality and style. If that describes you, then you must include a butterfly knife in your arsenal. These tools are an excellent choice for everyday carrying, both for their use as tools and self-defense items. In case you are unfamiliar with them, Bladesmithing, as they are also known, feature two counter-rotating handles that open to reveal a blade. This blade is usually single-edged, but some are double-edged. Virtually all of these blades are steel. The traditional folding knife is, without doubt, the standard for EDC purposes. These knives have a long tradition that dates back to the Iron Age, and with good reason. Their compact size and straightforward mechanics make them a practical tool. However, folding knives have their drawbacks. The most common folding knife don't have a locking mechanism, which means your blade could slide open in your pocket. You can imagine the sorts of injuries an incident like this could cause. Butterfly knives have no such problem. Two different features make it safer to carry a butterfly knife than a folding one. First, the two handles completely conceal the blade. It doesn't have the same risk of sliding out. Additionally, most butterfly knives have a locking mechanism to keep the two blade handles together. Many butterfly knives are also smaller when closed than a folding knife. Then you know how annoying it is to spend all that extra money on sheaths to carry your knife. Fans of fixed blade knives tend to prefer them to folding knives for their longer blades. After all, where else could you find a blade that's more than 3 or 4 inches long? However, another benefit for knife carriers is that these long-bladed knives never require sheath. Because the knife handles fold to conceal the blade, they render sheaths redundant. You can save money and carry your knife with confidence. Chances are that if you are a knife lover, self-defense is probably a high priority for you. If that's the case, then the butterfly knife is still an excellent choice for you. Bladesmiths have another advantage over their folding knife counterparts. You can get their blades out much faster. Imagine a scenario where somebody is attacking you. Do you want to have to reach into your pocket, pull out your knife, and use both hands to unfold the blade? Of course not. It's too time-consuming in a situation where every second counts. Now imagine you have a butterfly knife. Because both handles rotate, you could grip on the handle and spin the blade free to defend yourself. This leaves you a free hand to defend against attacks or to hold your attacker at bay. Alternatively, you don't even have to open your blade. With their dense handles, these knives also excel as non-lethal blunt force objects with which to defend yourself. Thanks for watching. Until next time.